Welcome to this studio recorder video from the American Printing House for the Blind. I'm your host, Rob Meredith, a software developer here at APH. Today, we'll give you tips on using NVDA with Studio Recorder. First, you'll want to turn off keyboard echo in NVDA. You can do this by holding down the NVDA key and pressing the number 2 on the top of the keyboard.
Speak typed characters only in edit controls.
Continue to press this command.
Speak typed characters always. Speak typed characters off.
Until you hear Speak Typed Characters Off. Then you'll know you have the correct setting. When using the left and right arrow keys to navigate in Studio Recorder, NVDA often says an unwanted character, for example space or line feed. I'll press the right arrow now.
Space. Space, 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 space.
And we can hear the pixel as I move over it,
space,
along with the word space from NVDA. To solve this problem, instead of using the left and right arrow keys, use F11 and F12. As I press F12 now, we can hear each pixel I move over without the word space from NVDA. I can also press F11 to move back. If you plan on using the wave view with NVDA, you'll want to turn off 2 attributes of the wave view, which cause unnecessary speech when navigating. For example, if I press page down,
00:00:0000,
I hear the entire wave ruler every time.
00:00:00:00.
To fix this, we can go into Settings in Studio Recorder with Control-T.
Settings dialog.
Then, select the third tab of the dialog, the Wave View tab. You can do this quickly by pressing Control-Tab twice.
Recording property. Wave view property page. Wave.
Then, press Alt-R to toggle off the wave ruler.
Attributes grouping. Ruler checkbox not checked Alt+R.
And press Alt-M to toggle off the mark bar.
Mark bar checkbox not checked Alt+M.
Then press Enter to close the dialog.
Studio Recorder -left bracket SR.
Now, when we use page up and page down to navigate,
blank, blank,
we only hear the word blank, which is much better. If you commonly navigate by sentence in Studio Recorder, using the up and down arrow keys, you may want to switch to the time view when performing this function. This is because NVDA says the word blank every time the up or down arrow key is pressed. You can hear this now if I hit play and then navigate to the next sentence by down arrow.
Studio Recorder. Copyright 2001, Chapter 1. Studio Recorder it includes features not found.
You can solve this by switching to the time view by pressing Control-Shift-T.
Time view. Pane.
Now, when we navigate by sentence,
found in audio recording and edit, such features include speed up index tone generation and instant open on large files, intercom functionality.
We only hear content instead of the word blank along with the content. To switch back to the wave view, press Control-Shift-W.
Wave view. Edit blank.
This has been a Studio Recorder video from the American Printing House for the Blind.